have great news for Victorian electric car drivers and anyone who travels through Victoria in an electric car on long road trips on the major highways and motorways. I spoke to RACV Senior Manager for Electric Vehicles Liam Brady, and he tells me that they are only a few months away from replacing all the Tritium chargers at the 7 ultra-fast locations that they purchased from ChargeFox a few years ago. That is awesome news. Here are all the details so you can know what to expect. RACV said they've committed to a significant upgrade of all their existing sites that have Tritium chargers. They're doing so progressively, and they hope to have them all done by Christmas 2024. Some of them will even be done this month in August. They told me that they're installing Kempower hardware as a replacement brand of fast charger, which is really awesome. These are really reliable and great fast chargers, which have also been used extensively in South Australia and Western Australia. Besides the fact that Tritium chargers were unreliable in their early generations, some of the RACV ultrafast stations were also impacted by other issues. Ballarat has been repeatedly attacked by local vandals, and the RACV told me that they are going to install CCTV at that site when they add Kempower chargers later this month. In Torquay, they told me that a car actually ran into one of their chargers, which is not great driving. So that caused a lot of damage, which is also going to be fixed this month. The chargers, which will be replacing the old Tritium units, exactly the same speed as the old ones, so you don't need to worry about them being slower. If the old Tritium was 50 kilowatts, the new Kempower will be 50 kilowatts. If the old Tritium was 350 kilowatts, the new Kempower will be exactly the same. It's just that they'll actually work more often. Hopefully all the time, which is the whole idea of having fast chargers on a highway. You want them to work all the time, not half the time, not 3/4 of the time. This is going to be really great, and I look forward to trying out the Euroa and Barnawartha sites on my next Victorian road trip between Sydney and Melbourne. And please let me know if you see the upgrades being done at Euroa, Barnawartha North, Airport West, Torquay, Horsham, Moe and Ballarat. What's the experience like compared to the old units? Do you like Kempower?